Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook app not updating news feed. So if your Facebook app is not updating your news feed, then in this video I've compiled a short list of ways in order to fix this. So fix number one is going to be extremely easy, but what you need to make sure in order to actually refresh your news feed, in order to get a news feed every single time a new one, is simply checking your Wi-Fi connection, or you need to make sure that cellular mode is enabled. If you don't have a proper Wi-Fi connection or if cellular mode is not enabled, then this basically means that Facebook will not be able to refresh your news feed, meaning you will not see any new posts. Alright, so now once you've basically double checked that and it's still not working, what I would also recommend doing is heading over onto the App Store, then typing in Facebook, just like this. And I would simply recommend updating Facebook to the latest version. Basically, when you do this, it will automatically refresh the entire app, and it will fix bugs as well, including Facebook app not updating newsfeed. So we'll definitely recommend doing that to see if maybe that will fix the issue for you. If it not fix the issue for you, then there might be a problem with the amount of people you are straight up following. If you don't have a lot of people that you're following or don't have any topics selected, then Facebook don't really know what to show you, and sometimes this could cause issues. So in order to fix this, head over to the top left at your profile picture, then the top right at that settings icon, and then click on news feed at the bottom. Then what you need to do is you need to make sure to add some people on pages you want to basically see, and based on that Facebook will also show you even more things. You also need to make sure that you don't have any pages snoozed, and yeah, that's basically a really easy way in order to also fix this issue. Now, if it still did not fix your issue, you can also head over into settings on your iPhone or Android, because we are going to try to clear the cache of our Facebook app. When you do this, this will basically fix a lot of issues with the app. So on iPhone, go into general, then iPhone storage. Once you've done that, scroll down until you find Facebook. Let me quickly find it right here. Once you've done that, click on offload app. Then click on reinstall app once it's basically cleared the cache. And then you should be good to go. Everything will still be there. Your account will still be there. It's just basically a clear cache button. Now, once you've done that and it's still not working, your feed is still not reloading, then what I would recommend doing is trying to log out of my Facebook account and then logging back in again. This is of course really easy, but basically by doing this you'll basically refresh your entire feed, because most of the time when you log out and log in, your feed will be new. So we can see if that maybe works. You can just go and head over at menu and then scroll down and click on logout. Now, if that still did not fix your issue, you can also try restarting your device. This is really easy as well, but yeah, basically restarting a device will most of the time fix a lot of issues you are having with the app. On the iPhone, I would recommend going for a forced restart. Now, in order to do that, quickly press the volume up button, then quickly press the volume down button, then hold the power button till your screen goes dark, but keep holding till the Apple logo appears. Once the Apple logo appears, immediately let go and your device will automatically restart, and it should fix a lot of issues with the Facebook app. Now, if that still did not fix your issue, then the last thing I have is simply reinstalling Facebook. I know it sounds really basic also, but basically reinstalling an app will 99% of the time just basically fix any issue you are having with the app. So I'll definitely recommend doing that. Keep in mind that all your documents and data will be lost, so keep that in mind. And you also need to log back into your account again, so make sure you have your username and password. But yeah, that are basically all of the fixes I have for you in this video. So let me know down in the comments below which fix it for you. And that being said, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.